Hello, this will be a short, hopefully short, demo of plotting a two-range fix, like a radar, two radar ranges to two targets, provide very accurate piloting fix, and that's also almost instantly plotted in a program like qtVlm. And this is one we're going to do from our workbook 7.5. We have Donaldson Island, this little guy. There's a radar range 3.2, and then over here, Monument Point, this point headland right here is going to be 2.4 nautical miles off. And then, so then I'm going to just plot that real quick. It takes seconds. But I thought I just thought of something while I was doing this, because whenever I click this background, this picture is going to go away and I maybe forget what these numbers are. But that reminds me to just show you a neat trick. Let me just go up here and make a mark. Okay, that's okay. And then say I'm going to add an image to that mark. And then I'm going to the downloads. Let's see if there's any snags with this. And there's that image. I'm going to put it there. And that's okay. So that's how long it takes to put an image on a mark. But then once you have an image assigned to a mark, I can just roll over there and that pops up that image right like that. So you could put a picture of an island or of a bridge or whatever you like and have it come up like that. It's a really neat, very easy to implement a procedure. So now I know Donaldson Island's 3.2 and I don't even have to remember the other one. So let me just put a mark here. I'm going to put a new mark here, and this one I'll name Donaldson Island. Donaldson Island, and that was, I'm going to put a range ring, 3.2 nautical miles on it, and then I've got to plant that right on Donaldson Island like that, and then I'll make another mark called Monument Point, M-O-N, Monument Point. Now I forget, I think that was 2.3, but I can check it now with our system very easily. I think that was 2.3. Okay. Let me check that. 2.4. Okay. Monument Point edit. 2.4 nautical miles. Okay, edit. All right, and then I drop this guy onto Monument Point right here on that, and then there's our fix right there. That's how fast that is. Now, and what you could do here is I just take a new mark, and I don't need to know anything about it, but I can just move it over here to put it here like that, and then what do we get for a fix here? We get 4816.9. Let me go over here. 4816.9, and then for the longitude 123.41.27, and that should be the same anyway. 41.23. Well, that's essentially the same. All right, so that's that technique. The other thing I might mention here is you can always do this if you want. Let's say you want this latitude and longitude. I want to copy that to put on to put in an email or to put in my notes or something. So what you can do is edit this link and go up here and just say copy. And then what you will have, and then you paste it. And what it did is now disregard this stuff in the back here. That's because the program's used for something else that requires that. And also that same other application uses all this extra accuracy, which is has no meaning whatsoever. But anyway, you've got in here in a digital format, you then have the position, 48.28 degrees minus, and these are longitudes are minus in the west when you're dealing with digital decimal degrees, and so this is minus 123.68. So that's something to just keep in mind, another trick you can do with the program.